Your motorcycle chain is one of the most critical components transmitting power from the engine to the rear wheel. Over a time, dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate on the chain, causing increased wear and tear, reduced performance, and even premature failure. Regular cleaning and lubrication is essential to maintain your chain's health and prolong its lifespan. If the chain is not properly maintained, it can cause a lot of issues and face wear and tear faster, resulting in a rough and noisy drive experience. While there are some maintenance tasks best left to the mechanic, there are some simple motorcycle chain maintenance care jobs that an owner can tackle. Especially if you are someone who is much into driving your motorcycle in a dusty environment, the motorcycle's drive chain is much prone to attract and accumulate dust on its surface. It's important to inspect the chain on a regular basis. Usually this is twice a month, and when it comes to open chains are like magnets to dirt and dust because of their oily surface and the position on the motorcycle. Remember that you are lubricating the chain to have a thin film of lubricant on the chain surface which would keep the moving links away from dust and move freely. If the chain links do not move free and stay sticky, likely chances that they hit the sprocket teeth with higher impact, resulting in quicker wear of the sprocket as well as the drive chain. Look for the type of drive chain which your motorcycle has. Sealed motorcycle chains like O-ring, X-ring and Z-ring chains use a seal between the inner link and outer link. These links keep the grease inside the pin and bush cavity. Such chain help extend the life of the chain and also necessitates simpler cleaning and lubricating. Load the vehicle on the paddock stand and look for the sections of the drive chain and check for the chain slackness. Adjusting your bike's chain won't make it faster, but it is critical if you want the chain to last. Clean the drive chain using a chain cleaner and a brush. This is a key step of the motorcycle chain maintenance. After the chain is cleaned and dried, spray a lubricant onto it while you rotate the tire. This gets the lubricant dispersed throughout the entire chain rather than just a section of it. Make sure you have carded the four sides of the motorcycle chain with the lubricant. If there is any excess lubricant, you can clean it away. Do ensure that the chain gets cleaned and lubricated once every 1000 miles, as few minutes of maintenance would keep your drive smooth and flawless. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for a high octane mix of motorcycle knowledge, adventure and fun.